Thanks for tuning in, guys. It's the Pest and Lawn Ginja, and this is Movember. Movember is here, and so is the Ginja. But I can't believe you guys expect me to shave this thing. I mean, this thing is magical. Feels good. For this, I mean, come on. Really? Now, I must ask you a question, but I'll shave it for later. No, really, though. It's a really good one, but I'm afraid I'll stumble over my words. I'd really love to answer it, but I'm mustache.
What? Uh-huh.
Yeah, that is funny. That's hilarious, dude. It's Ned. Ned says it's interesting that everything his mama told him not to touch is what they want him to touch in Movember. Ned, it's Movember. It's Movember, Ned. You gotta wear it. It's Movember. It's Movember. It's Movember. You gotta wear it, Ned. It's Movember. It's Movember. Ned. Ned. Oh. Ned. Ned. You gotta do it. Dude, why are you acting like this? You look like me on social media. Here I am, Fireside Raw, real, and uncut. Movember's kind of struck a chord with me. This has been a very difficult thing and tape to make. I think it's hit me on all accords. The cancer chord, the mental health, and the suicide chord. I've had family members whose my mother about 10, 12 years ago came down with B-cell lymphoma, and I remember getting the phone call, and it was rough. And I remember how alone my father was feeling and how helpless everybody felt because they couldn't help it. And I had begged her for months to get screened because she had a cough, and it ended up becoming B-cell lymphoma. We got lucky. She went through chemo. She was one of the fortunate ones to make it through, but that was a tough period in my life. I personally have had 62 moles removed, of which 12 have tested positive for the cancer, just basic skin cancer. And I've been really fortunate that I've caught these things really early, and I'm pretty diligent about going in every 4 years or so to the doctor. But with all this set aside, I'm pretty amazed at the technology that keeps us alive, and I'm very fortunate for our medical staff and the doctors. But guys, if you have $3, $5 to donate it, please. I know a lot of us are out there buying bags and bags of fertilizer, and this is what we do because it's something we love. What I can tell you is treating for pancreatic cancer and treating for testicular cancer is expensive. There's a lot of people out there that can't afford it. The last little bit before we get into the fun stuff I wanted to touch on is mental health and suicide prevention. I've lost a couple of my friends to suicide over the last 5 years, and going to their funerals, it's been difficult. You see somebody your age sitting in a casket and their journey is done, and you always wonder how somebody got to that place and if there was anything that could have been done to prevent it. Well, one thing that I really love about the Movember cause is awareness, and a lot of people don't even really understand how far down the rabbit hole mentally they are until it's too late. It's debilitating to the point where they can't pick up a phone call, they can't talk about their feelings. And I've been pretty fortunate that when I've been in my darkest times, I've been able to reach out and people have picked up their phone. But there's a lot of people out there that just don't know how to even start the conversation. So one thing that I'd like to get everybody to do, not only just donate whatever you can, and like I said, whether it be $3 or $5, whatever you can, pick up the phone. If you're noticing some behaviors from friends or family members that are just slightly different, reach out. even if it's just a text message, just say, hey man, I was thinking about you. I was wondering if we could go out, maybe say hello, or can I call you and can we have a good chat? I just want to make sure you're doing okay. It does make a difference, guys. And I know the Ginja is all fun and games and stuff, but you never want to be looking into that casket wondering what else you could have done. But I appreciate you guys listening. This has been a tough one for me. And let's go get to the fun stuff. Here we go. Crap. Huh. Try this again. There you go. All right. What's going on? It's really fighting me on this one, guys. I don't know what's gonna happen here. Relax, I got a handlebar on the situation. Man, I make this look good. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous, but I do it for you guys. All right, now for the fun part. I gotta call a few of you guys out. Now, I've been watching a couple of you guys, and I'm gonna name these in alphabetical order, no order in particular, but I'm gonna call Big John G out. He's been following a lot of our lawn tips out there, and he's been documenting it. Super cool. Dennis West, same situation. I went to his house, gave him a bunch of tips, and he's been following the lawn care community for longer than a lot of us know. Last but not least, Fress, yes, Lawn Dude, buckle up. It's time to take a ride, baby. It's all fun and games until somebody cuts their sweet beard off to upgrade. Don't forget to comment below. Tell me how much you love my new do. But more importantly, check out the links in the description of the video. We need to donate, guys. You can spend 35 bucks on fertilizer. You can spend 3 to 5 or even 35 bucks to donate to Movember. But hey, I'd love to stay in chat, but I really must stash. Just remember to make your donations to Stashes of Love, and it's got to be at least 2 inches long to count. Seal it up.